Hi guys, today we are making a police strobe. It's a simple setup, so new beginners that only have the most basic knowledge can follow along just fine. This clip will be short, so you don't have to listen to me speak, but instead can begin with your project. Don't forget to leave your comments below. Okay, to the code then. On line 1, we see an integer variable that I have named lightBar_button. This we will use to listen for when the button is being pressed. On line 2, we see a boolean that will turn to true when the light bar should be on. And then comes the function that making the police strobe. I have named this function lightBar_sequence. In a nutshell, it turns on the left strobe, turns them off, and then turns on the other ones. Then, on line 16, we have the setup. Here I tell the program that we have a push button and it's on pin 3, and it's an input. Then we have the light bar on pin 4 and 5, and they are outputs. Then I use a for loop to set both the outputs to off or low. On line 29, we have the loop. Here my variable lightBar_button is listening for when the button is being pressed. If you turn your attention to the lower right corner, you see the button. When the button is being pressed, the circuit is closed. When this happens, the condition on line 34 is being fulfilled. And then I want the strobes to turn on if they're off and off if they're on. And doing so by changing the light bar on variable to true or false. And lastly, if the variable light bar on is true,